Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Sarosh and I'm a foundation level student at Vihan School Life at Campus Islamabad, and today I am doing my TEDx talk review and uh, and my topic is why what adults can learn from kids by Adora Spitak. I hope you all are doing well today. I'm excited to share my review of one of the most inspiring and refreshing TEDx talk I have watched. When we think about learning, we usually imagine adults teaching children, parent teaches like their kids, teacher educate student, and experienced people guide younger generation. But in this TEDx talk, Adora Switek challenges that tradition idea. She asks a simple yet powerful question: what if adults also have something important to learn from children? This talk reminds us that learning should never be one sided, just as children learn from adults. Adults can also learn from valuable lessons from children, especially about creativity, curiosity, imagination, honesty, and the courage to be free. One of the strongest messages from this talk is that children are naturally curious. They consistently ask questions, explore new ideas, and are not afraid of imagine things that seems impossible as we grow older. Many of us stop asking questions because we are afraid of looking foolish or making mistakes. Adora reminds us that curiosity is the foundation of learning, innovation, and progress. Adora also talk about trust. She explains that adults often underestimate children and assume they are more capable of making meaningful contribution. But when children are trusted, encouraged, and given opportunities, they often surprise us with their creativity, intelligence, and unique perspective. Instead of always telling children what they cannot do, we should inspire them to discover what they are capable of achieving. Personally, studying stock made me reflect on how easily adults become trapped in roots, and we become too so busy with responsibility that we something forget to make curious and explore new ideas or simply enjoy learning. Children remind us that life is full of wonder if we keep an open mind and continue ask questions. My biggest takeaway from this TEDx talk is that age does not determine wisdom. We all have seen something valuable to teach, and we all have something valuable to learn. Whether we are young or old, learning never ends, and every person can inspire someone else. Thank you so much for watching. This is my TEDx talk review. Hope so you like it. Meet you in the next video. Pakistan Zindabad Khuda.